Hello everyone, and welcome to Law in 5, where we give 5 estate planning and business secrets and tips to help empower your family and business. I am Mark Peterson with Snake River Law, your personal family and business lawyers. Today I'm going to talk about 5 reasons to avoid probate. If you want to talk further about this topic with me, you can give us a call at 208-406-9885. Or you can schedule it online by going to meeting.snakeriverlaw.com. Okay, so here are the 5 reasons to avoid probate. So number 1, cost. So on average, the cost for probate is between 3 to 8% of the total value of the of your estate. So in Idaho, this equates to a minimum average fee of $2,000 to $5,000. To go through the probate process. If you hire an attorney that's going to bill by the hour on your case, then these fees will likely even go higher than that, as hourly fee attorneys are incentivized to do more work, to drag out the case, to do other things. An AARP study in 2016 found that each year estates spend about $1.5 billion on attorneys and court costs. So those, probate is big business and there's lots of costs. So that's the number 1 reason to avoid probate, is just the cost to your children and to your estate. Okay, number 2 is time. Probate typically takes between 6 to 18 months to be complete and finalized. It can even be longer than that depending on the court and how busy they are. So this means during that time frame, instead of your estate being passed on to your heirs or being distributed the way that you want, it's being held up in court, and essentially nothing's happening at the time. Bottom line, the court process is slow, it's inefficient, and it can be encumbering on your estate and on your heirs. Okay, number 3, we have third parties are making decisions about your estate. So when probate is opened up, attorneys and courts, they're interpreting what you wanted to have happen. So if there's any gray area in your estate, that just opens it up to them making the decisions for you, and it may not be what you wanted. It may be a different result, and they have that flexibility to kind of do what they want, not necessarily what you want. Okay, so third parties making decisions for you and for your estate is the 3rd reason to avoid probate. Number 4 is the effects of litigation. So litigation, including probate, see if I can spell here, brings out the worst in people. Okay, so anytime somebody is sued or thinks they're being sued, it brings out their worst side, right? So a rational person, once they get sued, will start acting irrationally. And all of that results in higher administrative costs, higher court costs, more attorney's fees. All of that is happening because of litigation. And probate is a form of litigation, and it does tend to make people a little crazy. As far as what they're going to receive and the conflict issues that arise from litigation. Okay, so number 4, litigation brings out the worst in people. If you can eliminate that and avoid probate, that's really important. Number 5 is public record. Okay, so probate documents are public record. Anyone can see that. So if there's a creditor out there that wants to get money from one of your heirs, they can monitor the probate records, and so when they're about to receive money, they can be ready to jump on that. Any of your heirs that maybe have some incapacity or vulnerable, like a minor child, predators, financial predators can be waiting to get their money out of those vulnerable heirs. Because they can see that, they know when it's going to happen, they can follow all the court records, And so it's fully public, and they know all that information. So just to go over those again really quick, 5 reasons to avoid probate: cost, time, third parties making decisions for your estate, potentially for your family, litigation, it brings out the worst in people, and then everything is public record. So creditors, financial abusers, they all have access to that information. Anyway, thank you for watching or listening to Law in 5 today about 5 reasons to avoid probate. Again, if you want any more information about this subject, to talk further about it, you can give me a call at 208-406-9885, or you can schedule online at meeting.snakeriverlaw.com, or even on our website, snakeriverlaw.com. There's a little contact us tab at the bottom, and you can use that to schedule an appointment also. Just as a bonus for watching this video, anybody that mentions this video when they're scheduling their appointment will get a free consultation to discuss these issues with me. Again, thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.